Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of HHS Baking Competition. My name is Mia and I'll be your host this evening. So to break it all down for everyone, so we have two teams competing against each other, Ella and Sydney versus Julia and Hayden. And both teams will have 2 minutes to go to Target and grab their ingredients, so let's head over and see what they're up to now. Your 2-minute timer starts now. Go. Okay, what are we? Alright, let's go. Marshmallows. We need to get the flour. Okay, let's see, what else do we need? Some sugar. We granulated sugar. We got brown sugar. We need brown sugar. Okay, what are you guys using for your special ingredients?
So I think we're gonna go with the fluffernutter cookie. So we're doing little mini marshmallows, and then we have the Reese's peanut butter like chocolate chips, but we might also get the actual Reese's peanut butter thing.
Okay.
Authenticity.
Okay, so guys, tell me what your secret ingredient is.
We are making chocolate chip cookies with a twist. We are using Tony's chocolate, but it has pretzel pieces and toffee in it, so it's gonna add a little spice.
The ingredients have been received and the bakers are on their way. Welcome back to the kitchen. Each team has 30 minutes to make and bake their cookies, and both of your times start now. Ready, set, bake!
I'm just gonna cut.
No, this girl's
Where's the
going.
quarter cup? Where's the quarter cup?
Don't tell her.
Sydney has it.
Yo,
Where is
my
it?
turn. It's
Where's
my
it?
turn.
Where's the quarter cup?
Yo, we're doughing it up over here. This is becoming a dough.
Oh my god.
You want a hug?
No.
Hug.
I don't want to eat that. Sydney's hands are all over it.
Yeah.
Cakier.
Okay, bakers, for the
added more
next 2
stuff.
minutes, the only people that are allowed to have all hands on deck are Julia and Sydney. Ella and Hayden are the only ones that are supposed to
Hey, hands off.
That's
Come on. I was like, maybe half. I mean, doesn't matter. Yeah, just.
And then mix it all up. Okay.
Okay, hello.
Careful.
Just
me
30
too.
seconds. 30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, I'll remember. I put in 3 minutes by accident. I'll remember. Don't forget. You can remind me. That's something I can remind you. You can remember.
I trust Julia. She's doing a great job right now.
Thank you, Hayden.
We
So
may
it might be
more
going
quick-
slow, but slow and steady wins the race.
That's valid.
Yeah.
I'm gonna quote that.
This is also
Put it
very.
on the screen. I'm just saying.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Peanut butter is good. Yeah. It's definitely a sticky dough.
Hey, this doesn't look that bad.
bad.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need more flour.
Okay, should I add more now?
Alright,
Alright, Sydney, let's go.
Sydney, maybe check the peanut butter.
How much should I add? I feel like it's
That's fine, yeah. So
You didn't have to
more
do
than
that.
more than- Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm a fucking.
How's it going, Julia?
It's good. I just dropped a measuring so
It was
a
hot!
little covered in flour.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Alright, Ella, why don't you tell them about your cookie?
Alright, so today we have a fluffernutter cookie. We made cookie dough batter with some marshmallows and peanut butter chocolate chips. And then on the top we have a peanut butter and chocolate syrup drizzle with some Reese's Pieces on top. Alright.
Presentation looks nice. Were you going for a heart?
Yes.
Pretty good. Stays together, not gonna fall apart. That is always good. And then let me see how that looks.
Broken heart.
Broken heart. We take one. Chewy, a little dense, but very good.
All right, so pretty good rating on the first cookie. So now we're gonna have Hayden explain her cookie to the chef.
We made a brown butter cookie with pretzel toffee and a little bit of caramel in the middle.
Nice. I like the brown butter. Presentation very nice. I like you have your chocolate dispersed throughout the whole cookie, not in one spot. So that's always good.
Good note, good note.
Crunchy, but the inside looks I can't think of the word. Chewy. This one has a great texture, crunch and chew. If I had to choose between the two, I would give this one, out of 10, I'd give this one an 8.5. And this one would be a 7.5.
Okay, so we have Hayden with us. Please tell us a little bit about your experience on the show today.
I think it went great. Partner Julia was great, contrary to other people's beliefs, but Ella Heyl,
Thanks, man.
hate her. Hit my cart when we were shopping, and she stole stuff out of my cart. So,
I mean, it was unfair. I think everything was going well until that mother Julia ran into me with that ball and
free dance. Mix it. You have to put the song over it though.